Okay. Welcome back, guys. Welcome you to my channel once again. Uh, in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get uh, a virtual MasterCard linked to your MTN Mobile Money. What you do uh, after getting this card, you'll be able to make transactions to buy online products like on Spotify, Alibaba, uh, Amazon, YouTube, and other Google products, and each and every kind of online service that is paid for, where they request for MasterCard or Visa. What you do, um, uh, you just make sure that you have at least 1K, at least 1,000 on your MTN Mobile Money account. But before we proceed, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like my video, and if you can, please, you can share it to your friends such that they also get to know how to get virtual cards. So what you do, guys, turn on the notification bell such that you don't miss any of my videos, guys. Now, hope you have done so. Let's just head to what, let's dial the code. First of all, as I told you, first make sure that you have 1,000 on your MTN Mobile Money account. This card is valid for 1 month, but the good thing with it is that you are not charged whenever you're making any transaction. Let's say you have made 10 transactions within a day, you're not charged even a single coin, guys. So that's like a fortune, guys. So what you do, just type star 165 star 70 hash. Then you choose option 1, create a card. But since I already have one, I won't just choose that option. So guys, you select option 1, create a card, you insert in your MTN Mobile Money PIN, and you receive your card details. Your card will be containing, you receive a notification containing your card details, and that is the card number. You record that 16 digits plus a CVV code. Those are the 3 digits plus the expiry date. That is the only information required on your card. You can record it somewhere or just take a screenshot and then use it while if you fix it on the website that you're going to pay to. So guys, that's just very simple. Any of those transactions will be able to debit or to deduct money from your mobile money account. When you're linking your card to any of those websites, you have to make sure that you have at least 3,800 Ugandan shillings. That amount is normally deducted from your card. Just process it to verify whether it's active or not. But the moment you link it to that website, the amount will reverse back. It, like, after it's debited from your account, it will be reversed immediately. On platforms like PayPal, they charge almost 8K, and it takes almost 3 days to be reversed. But don't worry when if it doesn't bounce back within a while. You have to be patient. Your money must come back, then they will be able to make your purchase. So that's simple, guys. Just like, comment, and share my video. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I've been really off air. I haven't been really posting. I've been busy in other things, but now I'm back. I'll be uploading every after a while. I have a lot of things, a lot of contents to upload, guys. Just make sure you subscribe. Don't disappoint me. Just do me a favor. Thank you, guys.